Hello everyone, I'm Kevin Ubunas and here to report what are the stages in submersible pump. So, what are the stages in a submersible pump? A submersible pump is a type of hermetically sealed pump device that operates by pushing rather than pulling water during the pumping process. Due to its name, the pump is fully submerged in a liquid being pumped which allow it to work in this manner. Pump cultivation, which can damage moving parts by developing vapor bubbles, can be avoided by lowering the pump into a shallow hole first. There are numerous industrial and commercial use of submersible pump. What is a single stage pump? According to the number of submersible pump, stage pump can be classified as single, multiple stage, or two stage. It is common use for the industrial, agricultural, and residential water supply and drainage. Single-stage submersible pumps are more energy efficient and more straightforward to construct than multi-stage or two-stage model. The single-stage submersible water pump consists of a stator, pump body, inlet, and outlet. Pump operation necessitates that use of a stabilizer, punching machine, and specialized skill are used to ensure that stator is smooth and perform at its best. In addition, high-quality equipment is also used to conduct exhaustive pump testing. Single-stage work pump principle. It is a single impeller submersible single-stage pump. Water from the inlet is pumped into the body when it's working. Water then enters the impeller part, rotates at high speed with the impeller, and then exit from the pump together with the impeller. A large amount of vacuum is created in the inlet port and another working process begins. When using a submersible pump, the impeller of a single-stage water pump is typically located near the pump inlet. Single-stage submersible pump head and blow are influenced by the motor power, which must be submerged throughout the operation. Next is what is a multiple stage pump? Full rod pumps, like multiple stage pump, are also type of pump. There is stage range of water pressure that the pump can generate. Rotation of the impeller provides the thrust of these pump types. Mechanical vacuum pumps draw gas out when the density reach the pump working range. A high vacuum is achieved over time. Suction, compression, and exhaust are all achieved by vary of chamber volume of multiple stage pump. Consequently, this pump can change a water temperature. Each impeller in a multiple-stage pump can be smaller in diameter and operates with tighter clearance between the impeller and the volute because of the use of multiple impellers. These smaller tolerances are required for each impeller to function at its maximum hydraulic efficiency. As a result, multiple-stage pump can operate with smaller motors and consume less energy while still delivering high performance. Multiple stage application. Multiple pump cannot handle solid and abrasive content due to the light impeller clearance with the pump volume, which is why they are typically used with water and other low viscosity fluids. Combined with their high pressure range, multiple stage water pump are popular in variety of applications such as fuel for the boiler, the process of osmosis in reverse, increase the water supply, irrigation, putting out fire, air conditioning, heating and cooling, flow of water. The difference between a single stage pump and a multi-stage pump. The maximum lift is different. The submersible pump maximum head is only 125 meters, which is with a single stage, single suction design. The multi-stage pump can achieve more than 125 meters of the head. Single-stage pump will suffice for pumping height under 125 meters, but only multiple pump should be considered for those over that limit. Different change of the changes of the pump. Pump with only one change are single stage. This lead to an increase in the number of step of the single stage pump. Different number of impellers. There are only one impeller in a single stage pump. Two or more impellers are used in a multi-stage pump. Both pumps can handle liquid medium head of more than 125 meters as can be deduced from this. However, if the change is more than 125 meters, you must use a horizontal multi-stage pump. So which is better? Single stage versus multi-stage water pump, which is better? On-site operating data and actual need are used to make the final decision. Multi-stage pump are used because they are more efficient. The compression stage is distinguished by single stage and multi-stage pump. The impeller is only one part of the compression system. The theater holding ring, the interstage steel, and so the all are all included in one compression stage. So that's all my report. Thank you and God bless.